Kung Toby, you mentioned a while ago na one standard for all, di ba?
Yes po, yes po.
And you said sana, if yung one standard for all, kung i-apply lang yung same standard ng impeachment na paraan ng pagdinig nung kay President Marcos Jr., masasabi niyo po ba na if the same standards apply, dapat ba ini-impeach si VP Sara today or dapat po ba ini-impeach din si President Marcos today?
Okay, if the same standards were held, dapat, no? Pero hindi naman ako makaboto at pagbotohan na yan, my humble opinion is dapat insufficient in substance din yung kay VP Sara. Kung same standards ang ginamit doon kay BBM. And in fact, doon po kay BBM ako'y bumoto na insufficient in substance yung impeachment na yun. So my humble opinion is that dapat insufficient in substance din itong kay VP Sara.